Hey there, and welcome back to another video. Dustin here from the Gravity team. If you need a way to send reliable emails from your WordPress site, Gravity SMTP and MailerSend make a great team. Let's take a quick look at getting everything set up. First, make sure you have Gravity SMTP installed on your WordPress site, then head to the integrations page. Click the plus icon to add a new integration, then select MailerSend. To use Gravity SMTP with MailerSend, you'll need to generate an API key from within your MailerSend dashboard. With your MailerSend dashboard open, select Domains. Then click Add Domain to enter your domain information. Next, you'll be given a set of DNS records that you'll need to add to your DNS provider. This process will vary depending on your DNS provider, so be sure to check with them for documentation on adding DNS records. After you've verified your DNS, select the Generate New Token button to get your API key. Simply give the token a descriptive name and set the expiration date for sometime in the far future. Now for permissions, select Sending Access and then generate your token. Be sure to save your API token in a secure location. You won't be able to access it again after you leave this screen. Copy your token, then head back to the Gravity SMTP dashboard and enter it in the API key field. You also have the option to set a default from email, from name, and reply to email. Be sure to note that the default from email must use the same domain name that you authenticated with MailerSend. Then simply click Save and Enable to finish setting up the integration. And within the integrations page, you have the option to set a primary and backup integration. For instance, I'll set MailerSend as my primary integration, then Brevo as my backup. Now if there's ever an issue sending emails with MailerSend, Gravity SMTP will use Brevo instead. You can also verify that emails are successfully sending by using the Send a Test tool. Finally, you can use the Gravity SMTP dashboard and email log to review emails sent and track open rates. If you have any questions or need help setting things up, be sure to let us know in the comments. And for more WordPress tutorials, be sure to subscribe to the channel so you never miss a video. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.